Okay, this is video part 13 of Under the Wings and Balachi Sea Monsters art series 41 in progress here. So I just completed the 9th of the 10 sea monsters. The Balachi Sea Monsters is one at the lower left. I might add some color in the teeth here. And I'm working on the largest one here. So far, a little touch of colored pencil in the eyes. And as much as I've done so far in the head. Teeth, black and white, using black India ink. Okay, buddies, what do you guys think? Okay? Did a discerning art critic series of studio mates. All right. I heard a chirp. I trust that's a chirp of approval. Good, thank you. All right, to be continued. Get the whole thing in there.